In front of me is SHARP Aquos R2, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. Let me show you some of them, just a few. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon, and let's enter the first code, which is *pound, *426, #*. And as you can see now, we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. But if you would like to explore FCM diagnostic panel a bit more, tap on the more icon, select advanced view, and here we've got further details. So this is it, this is how you can reach it. Let me go back. And now let's enter the second code, which is *pound, #5, #*. And here you've got the calendar info, where you can check all events and celebrations included in your device's internal storage and also in Google Calendar. And from now on you don't have to worry about some events that you can forget about, because you can check all upcoming important stuff right here. Smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with everything. And the last code that I would like to share with you today, super useful one, is *pound, #06. And this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device with email number, and you can smoothly enter this code and quickly and easily check the email number. So tap on OK, and that's it. This is how you can use secret codes in your SHARP Aquos. Enjoy, use them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.